you're in the market for some wall art that's modern, minimalistic, and timeless, then this one from Slyart might just be what you're looking for. I'm Gracie with WTI, and I'm not a very artistic person, but as soon as I saw this piece online, it immediately spoke to me. Even though it's all black and may seem really simple from afar, but as you get closer, you really notice all the intricate details. Check out this 3D texture design. All of this is 100% hand-painted oil artwork, which is so impressive and absolutely beautiful. You can really tell that a lot of hard work went into creating this. I feel like it brings a lot of depth and moody vibes to my bathroom, which I love. And what makes this piece even better is this thick frame made out of engineered wood with smooth finished edges, which really gives it that finished look. Everything was protected during shipping, and it came with all the hardware and accessories that you need to hang it. This 36 by 24 inch all black beauty is truly unique and will be the perfect statement piece for any area in your house. And that's my point of view.